Your Profusion player comes preloaded with music programs. If those programs include holiday music, you can schedule holiday music to play. If holiday music has not been loaded to your Profusion player, contact Mood Media customer support for assistance. If you have forgotten your password or do not have access, select the Forgot Password or Request Access button on the login page. To view and schedule available programs, select Dayparts. Select your desired device. In the panel on the right side, you will see the available programs. To create a holiday schedule, select New Override Schedule. Give your schedule a name. Select the start and end dates the holiday music should play. Note the end date is the last day you want holiday music to play. Click Save. From your list of available programs, click the plus sign next to the holiday program you wish to schedule. Adjust the time of day it should start. Select the day or days of the week it should play. Once done, select Save. If you have additional programs to schedule, repeat this process. Once you've completed your holiday schedule, select the X in the upper right corner. For the holiday schedule to play, it must be published. Select Publish Changes to publish your changes. If your Profusion player is updated via disk, a new disk including your holiday schedule will be shipped. If your Profusion player is updated via network, your holiday schedule will appear on your device once the upload is finished.